Welcome to my channel. I'm going to be showing you how to sign out of YouTube on another phone. So I'm just going to open YouTube and I'm going to click on that logo where at the top right, top right corner where you see my account. So you can see here omas touch or you see iwoma@gmail.com. I'm just going to click on manage your Google account. This is the account I want to sign out from. So now I'm going to still click on orisiwoma@gmail.com. That arrow, I'm going to click on it and you're going to see something that says manage accounts on this device. I'm just going to look for my account. You can see here orisiwoma@gmail.com. So I'm going to click on that and you're going to see remove account. So you just click that and then remove your account. And we're just going to go back to see if it actually worked. So let's check the accounts that are here. I see only one. And so that's it. That's how to sign out your YouTube account without actually clearing cache and data. So please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and I hope I'll see you in my next video. Peace.